Let's create a sketch. Front plane. Now circle with C, 20 millimeters. Okay. Go to create, polygon. This one, drag from the center, 14 sides. Okay, click. Now a horizontal relation for this line. And finally, the distance will be 11 millimeters. Okay, now let's close the sketch. Now let's create an offset plane. So offset front plane, 1 millimeter, and hit OK. Okay, let's create a sketch. Now let's project this polygon with P and hit OK. Great. Let's close the sketch. Now let's create again an offset plane. Select this plane, 1 millimeter, and hit OK. Again, create a sketch. Go to create, polygon. Fourteen sides. And click on the outside. Okay. Now let's project this line with P. Okay. And add a midpoint relation. Okay. Close the sketch. Perfect. Now let's go to the surface menu, create and loft. Okay. Let's select the first edge, which is this one, and select this point. Great. Hit OK. Now let's activate again the sketch. This one too. Go to create, loft, this side and this side. Perfect. Now let's repeat the same process again. Create, loft, now this edge and this edge. And hit OK. Let's now deactivate the sketches and select these three surfaces. Go to modify, stitch, and now we have only one surface. Okay. Now let's go to create, pattern, circular pattern. Select the surface, 4-axis this one. Okay, quantity 14, and hit OK. Now let's select all the surfaces. Go to stitch and hit OK. Now let's close this side. Go to patch, select this edge. Again, let's stitch the surfaces, stitch, and OK. Go to create, mirror, select this surface, and for the mirror plane, select the front plane, and hit OK. And again, we will need to stitch, so select all and stitch. Hit OK. Now we have a solid body. Great. So let's select this face, extrude, 0.25, and taper angle of -45 degrees. Hit OK. Great. Now let's create a mirror. Okay, features, extrude feature, and the mirror plane will be front plane. So press, hold, XZ, and OK. Now let's activate the sketch 1. Now extrude with E. Press and hold, select the profile, and direction will be symmetric. Drag cut and hit OK. Great. Now let's add some fillets. Start with these two edges, 0.5 millimeters, and hit OK. Fillet again, select these faces. Point 0.2 millimeters and hit OK. Now finally another fillet and select all these faces on both sides. Point 0.2 millimeters and hit OK. Great. Now let's add some engraving. Let's create a sketch on the top plane. Now slice. And let's insert an SVG file with my logo in this case. Okay. Scale down. Okay. Perfect. Let's now close the sketch. Go to Solid, Create, and Emboss. Select all the profiles, faces, this one. Depth will be minus 0.2 millimeters. Effect type Deboss, and OK. Awesome. Let's add a fillet. Select the edges. OK. 0.02 and OK. Great. Let's add an appearance, A. Let's duplicate this one. I will change from bodies to faces. And I will change the color to green. OK. Double click. I will increase the roughness. Done. Now just drag it to the face you want to change the appearance. This one too. OK. Now for the top part of the logo, I will duplicate this one again and increase the roughness. Great. Now just drag it to the logo and that's it. Close. As a final step, I will change the orientation of the ring with M. Select the ring, rotate, axis, in this case is the x-axis, 90 degrees, and hit OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching.